Hey, what's up guys? Griddle Richie here, and today I'm gonna be making an alcoholic adult beverage. I'm not sure if you guys have seen these, but they're called Corona Sunrises. I saw it on TikTok and I thought I'll try it. I've never tried this before, never even tasted it, but it looked good, so let's get to it. All right, so this is the ingredients that you're gonna need for this. You're gonna need some Minute Maid orange juice or whatever orange juice you wanna use. Obviously a Corona since it's called the Corona Sunrise. Some grenadine, your favorite tequila, that's just a tequila I happen to have, a shot glass, and a lime. Okay, so one of the first things you wanna do is drink a little drink. Get started on that Corona. Drink it down to about where the label starts, and then pour yourself a shot and pour it right into your Corona there. If you don't do this ahead of time, you're gonna overfill your drink. I learned that the hard way. So there we go. After you do your tequila, you're gonna do a shot of grenadine and pour it right inside. Just like that. After your grenadine, you're gonna pour yourself a shot of orange juice and pour that in. Woo, look at that. After you've done all those ingredients, you're gonna get your little lime. Pour it in there. Okay guys, so I made this. First time ever trying this. Let's go for it. Oh yeah, that's pretty tasty. You get a little bit of the tequila, a little bit of the orange juice. I probably should have squeezed the lime in there. I guess I could try that next time, but not bad. Let me know if you guys have tried this and what you guys think. I have a feeling if you had 2 or 3 of these, woo, you're really gonna be feeling that. Hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. Cheers.